Yeah, I'm very excited. Big Boss is also Big Boss because of Salman Khan. I feel a lot of actors will think of my family, will think of my close knit friends, and will wait for weekend kavar and wait what Salman sir has to tell to people who actually made me feel bad.
Hello and welcome to Bollywood Live and India.com. This is Sanskriti, your host for the day. Big Boss 15 is happening and everyone is super excited about it. इस बार Big Boss में होगा jungle theme with some interesting twist. And we have with us Vidhi Pandya, who is all set to win hearts with her performance in Big Boss. Welcome, Vidhi.
Uh, Thank you. Thank you so much for such a warm welcome. Thank you very, very much.
Firstly, Big Boss is a big show, and this time it is going to be jungle around. तो जहाँ सुविधाएं नहीं होंगी, so how are you planning to play this game?
Really don't know यार, really can't plan anything because हमें पता ही नहीं है exactly होने क्या वाला है घर के अंदर. So I am just going to pave my path and try to really fight and be strong throughout the journey, because mentally strong रहना बहुत ज़्यादा important है. अगर आप mentally strong हो तो I think you win at least half a game right there. So yeah.
So we have seen you in Udaan, we have seen you in many TV shows. So now you are doing a reality show. So what made you say yes to Big Boss? Usually people are a bit doubtful कि Big Boss जितना तुमको नाम देता है उतना sometimes it can break you also. So what made you say yes?
Because I'm looking for some things in my professional path, and I feel via Big Boss that could be possible. So I think that's the only reason that I feel I'm doing this, and then it's also one life. Why not, take it as an adventure and experience this, because it's number one India's biggest reality show we have.
True. So okay, when we talk about Big Boss, Salman Khan का नाम आता ही है. He is like a guide. He'll support you. But if you make a mistake, he's the first one who is going to scold you. So how excited are you to meet him?
Yeah, I'm very excited. Big Boss is also Big Boss because of Salman Khan. I feel a lot of actors say yes because of him. Because I mean, who's not a fan of his? So I am one of them, and I'm really excited to meet him. And I'm okay to be okay if he shouts at me or something, because I feel he's just like how your parents are, or how your sibling are, or how your best friends are. They scold you for your good. So Salman sir always scolds a contestant only for their good, so that they can better their game or they can be a better human. So but मेरे को नहीं चाहिए कि वो मेरे को डांटे. और because अच्छा नहीं लगता जब वो डांटते. But yeah, I really like him, and I'm very excited to meet him too.
True. So with this excitement, इस game में कभी-कभी there comes a time when people literally will hurt you, will make you feel down. So how are you going to manage that time?
We'll think of my family, we'll think of my close knit friends, and we'll wait for weekend kavar and wait what Salman sir has to tell to people who actually made me feel bad. Because there will be days when I just miss my family and I'm low, but there will be days that क्योंकि मेरे साथ किसी ने कुछ गलत किया जिसकी वजह से मेरे को बुरा लगा है. So yeah, I don't know how will I deal with it. I think
Okay. So, tell us, now that you mentioned about your family and friends, so tell us what is that one thing, or who is that one person you are going to miss the most in the house?
My brother. I'm going to miss him the most in the house, because not even for a day that I go without him in my life. So I'll be missing him the most. And yeah.
So tell us, one strong point about you and one weak point.
I trust a little easily. Don't show that I am, but internally I trust a lot, and I trust very very quickly. एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग इज कि कुछ गलत है तो मैं बहुत स्ट्रांगली उस चीज पे स्टैंड लेती हूँ एंड मैं फाइट करती हूँ उसके लिए, और जो सही है उसका साथ भी देती हूँ. सो आई फील दिस इज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग क्वालिटी.
Okay. So have you watched previous seasons of Big Boss?
Yeah. I've watched it in bits and pieces. Yes, I have.
So do you have any favorite contestant with like जिसको देख के who is your inspiration?
Yeah, Siddharth Shukla.
Totally. He's everyone's favorite.
Head over heels for him.
Okay. So lastly, what can we expect from Vidhi in Big Boss?
Really don't know. I don't know. I just don't know. I don't know how do I say it, because I won't be like कि मैं singer हूँ, मैं गाना गाऊंगी, या मैं gossip queen हूँ, मैं gossip करूंगी. I'm a chiller dude. मेरे को पता ही नहीं है मैं अगली चीज क्या करूंगी, मेरे को नहीं पता. मतलब I'm just going to be in the moment, have fun, and I hope कि audience भी मेरे साथ मजे ले रहे हैं.
Okay, great. So as you said, you should have fun. So have fun in Big Boss, and good luck for the show.
I need all the luck. All the luck. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.